Is living in this world too boring and difficult? Do you constantly find yourself searching in the fast-paced tempo of life and the world? Are you looking for ways to be happy every time and wondering how to live an easier life? If so, this video is just for you. In the ever-accelerating pace of the modern world, it has never been more important to find ourselves, stay calm, and seek true happiness. Every day, we are exposed to more information, more activities, and more responsibilities. But do all these things truly satisfy us? Or more importantly, do they keep us healthy and at peace? Let's take a look at the world of a tiny baby. From the moment they are born, they immediately understand the need to feed and sleep, despite all the stimuli around them. The brain's task is to understand, process this, and send the necessary signals to the body, all within a system. That's why a wise parent knows when the baby needs to take a break. However, as adults, we find it challenging to make and implement these decisions. Every day, we lose ourselves in an endless hustle, and this situation harms our mental and physical health, even if we are unaware of it. Every morning, we wake up, get lost in social media, bury ourselves in emails, and dive into the dark stories of the news. Do we really need this much information? Throughout history, access to information has never been this easy. However, living in the information age doesn't mean we can digest all this data. On the contrary, this constant bombardment of information overstimulates and tires our minds. In fact, a part of our inner child still remains, and this child needs some rest. Instead of getting lost in the hustle and bustle of daily life, what if we slowed down a bit, slept more, and dedicated more time to ourselves? Perhaps giving up the effort to conquer the world and exploring our inner world would be a greater success. Remember, true peace and contentment can be found in a simple and calm life, away from the noise of big cities and the never-ending professional competition. In this video, we will explore how the modern world wears us down and why simplicity is true wisdom. We'll discuss ways to distance ourselves from our devices and detox our minds. Maybe all we need is a little more sleep and a digital detox. If you want to join us on this peaceful journey and learn tips on simplifying your life, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.